Yes, Master and Crew, back once again with another video. And today I'm just going to give you a quick insight into what device I actually use for the saving of my files. I was going through a little bit of a routine and thought I'd make a little video regarding this, because I noticed a lot of people do ask, you know, how do you save your samples? There's numerous ways of doing it. I'm actually in the process of installing an HXC emulator onto my Akai 3000 XL. However, I'm only going to use this for the HXC because the thing is I've got so many discs that I have to archive, so I always have to make sure that I've got a floppy disk drive at hand. So anyway, I actually use this device here, which is a Microtech SCSI to SD reader. The good thing about this is it's literally just hot swap. For those of you who don't know what hot swap is, it literally just means that you can take your compact flash card out without resetting the machine, without having to turn it off. So you can literally just do it and then access straight away. I would just literally just take out an SD card. I label it Akai 1 B1 Brain Akai 1, and then when that's full up, I'd literally just pop it onto here. And there's a little bit of a prep phase that I can show you in another video, where if you comment down below how to format your card and get that up and running perfectly. You can also now pick up job lots of these quite cheap. Any 1 GB one will do just fine. I have some as small as like 128 megabytes, and yeah, I just kind of go on eBay and hunt around, and sometimes you get these at a good deal because they're quite old now and not a lot of people use these on a regular basis. And as far as I know, you can only use sort of 2 gig on here, so I wouldn't go anything too big on here because you'd just be sort of wasting your money. But as you can see, I'm in the process of formatting one at the moment, which is like I'm just using a range instead of format, which works much better than formatting. And trust me, like a 1 or 2 gig one can take flipping nearly a half hour, 45 minutes to format. But yeah, this is great. It plugs into the SCSI, and I've also done an installation video on this, so you can check that out. It's going to be worth a look if that's something that you're planning to do in the future. Another storage solution which I use is also an easy zip drive. All of these are compatible through SCSI. They're all wired up at the back through SCSI. The last device is terminated, which is the actual sampler itself. And I plan to actually SCSI both these samplers up so I can access them from my PC. You will also need an Adaptec SCSI card for this to work, and you'd also have to install some ASPI drivers that come with it, and there is a bit of wiring to do in terms of finding the right SCSI connectors, etc., for that to work. As you can see on the screen here, you can see all the different SCSI IDs. Everything has to have a separate SCSI ID, and the last device has to be terminated.
I'll be back.
I also use Mesa PC as a form of storage as well, because you can literally extract samples straight from the sampler and store them up on the PC using the Mesa PC program, which is also, you know, worth me doing another video if you guys comment on that down below. So those are the storage options. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Take care. God bless. Peace. I'm a everyday junglist.